Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to image. First, I'm going on Google, then type convert PDF to image for free. Then here are you can find out lots of website. You can select one, but I highly recommend for a small PDF or I love PDF. So I click on second one, then just input your PDF file here. So this is my PDF file. I just input on here, then wait few seconds, only few seconds, it's already done. Now if I click on export as, you are also able to um, download to another format like word, excel, powerpoint, image, mm, lots of. So I need only its image. If I click on downloads, wow, it's going to be download. If I open this one, I need only 4 seconds left, 2 seconds, and wow, it's already done. Then if I click on and open this one, you can see its images. Super easy. So you can see how I convert PDF to images using free methods. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.